Hello everyone, my name is Ramya and today we are going to discuss about some key concepts of JavaScript today. We all knew that JavaScript is the scripting language of the web. JavaScript is used in millions of web pages which adds functionalities and validate forms and to detect browsers and much more. JavaScript is used in millions of web pages to improve the design and to detect browsers, to create cookies and much more. JavaScript is the most popular scripting language on the internet and works in all major browsers such as Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and Opera. And now let's get started with objects in JavaScript. An object is collection of properties where each property consists a key or name and a corresponding value. Objects can be used to store collections of data and much more complex entities. There is an example here. In this example, the properties are name and age, and the methods is greet, and the method is a function stored as a property of the object. Objects are flexible and can store values of any data type, including other objects or arrays. Now let's discuss about another topic in our video, which is functions in JavaScript. A functions is a block of code that is designed to perform a particular task. Functions allow us to group code together and reuse it in our program. Function declaration, function expression, and arrow functions. Here, arrow functions provide a shorter syntax and don't bind their own in this construct. And this keyword behaves differently in every type of functions. Now let's discuss about another key concept in our video, that is difference between var, let and const. Var, let and const are used to declare variables in JavaScript and they have different scoping rules and mutability. And var is function scoped or global scope if it's declared outside a function. Variables declared with var are hoisted to the top of their scope. Var can be redeclared and updated. There is an example here. You can check it out for better understanding. Let is block scoped. It is confined to the block, statement or expression where it is redeclared. And variables are hoisted but not initialized. So accessing them before declaration results in reference error. And let cannot be redeclared in the same scope. There is an example here. And const. Const is block scope like let. Variables are hoisted but not initialized in const. And once assigned, the value of the const variable cannot be changed. It is primitive value, and however, objects and arrays declared with const still can be modified, although the reference cannot be reassigned. This is the last topic of our video, that is modules in JavaScript. Modules allow you to break down into JavaScript code into smaller and reusable pieces. This makes the code more maintainable, and modules in JavaScript helps us to debug, and it is easier to debug, and modules in JavaScript are scalable. JavaScript uses export and import to share functionalities between files. Here an example of a module with export and importing the module into another file. And you can export a single entity like function, object or class as a default export. There is an example here. And there are many key benefits of modules: encapsulation, reuse and scope management. Modules keep the code modular and separated by the functionalities. Modules import and reuse functions, variables and classes across different files. And modules only import what is necessary, avoiding polluting the global namespace. Let's summarize today's discussion. We have learned about objects, which are collection of key value pairs and contain methods, And we have learned about functions, which allows the code to be grouped and reused. We have learned about the differences between the var, let, and const, and we have learned and discussed about modules. This covers the basic concept of JavaScript objects and functions and variables and declarations. Thank you for watching.